Mikhael Massa video. Like, subscribe, and share for more. The Mysteries of Blood, Kongo wisdom on spiritual heritage and identity. The Great Nlongi'a Kongo, the great initiates, say that blood is endowed with a Nlongi'a, a computer, a true spiritual computer that keeps the keys to the invisible mysteries of blood. This computer has been calibrated in each original ancestor by the supervising genius of each mother tribe. Because it is thanks to its code introduced into the invisible aspect of blood in the form of imponderable particles that each supervising genius of a mother tribe commands and influences the people of its tribe, a natural nation. Whether this tribe is a tribe of humans or a herd of animals, birds, insects, or reptiles. Because each category of animals, of living beings, has a supervising genius, a collective soul. Thus, for a supervising genius of a given community, whose blood was calibrated in the original ancestor by him, at the origin of the peoples, without a mixture of blood, one cannot integrate into the natural nation that he supervises and become a citizen of this natural nation. Throughout the very long history of the human race, there have always been intermarriages between the different nations. Thus, there are no 100% pure nations on the entire planet Earth. Belonging to a natural nation is always defined based on the original ancestor and the percentage of majority blood that flows in the veins of an individual. In the ancient Kikongo spoken by the sons of heaven, Bantu, who came from the planet Kikongo, the word Elima means a messenger god, a sidereal genius, a great spirit of nature, an angel. Elima gives in abbreviation the words Eli and El, hence names such as El Kada, El Fatah. The abbreviation of the word Elima gives Eli and El, while the dilation of the word Elima gives Elohima and Elohim. Take the word Elohim, drop the two letters O and H of the dilation, and you have the word Elima, a genius, a simbi, an angel. Roman death penalty called the crucifixion. Elima, Elima, why have you forsaken me? Cried Jesus on his Calvary. Let's close this parenthesis. The great Elima supervisor of a natural nation considers as integrated into his nation any ordinary person who has at least 75% of blood calibrated by him at the origin of the peoples and transmitted from generation to generation from the first ancestor who was elected and blessed by this genius to become the supervisor of his descendants. But when this great Elima supervisor sends a great spirit, a very luminous soul, to come and be born in his nation for a special mission, even with 50% of the nation's blood, this exceptional man is considered as being totally integrated into the nation because of his high level of spiritual development, which gives him a high state of consciousness, which cannot betray the interests of the nation to which he is integrated. There are four major groups of Elima: the Elima of fire, the Elima of air, the Elima of water, and the Elima of earth. The Elima of fire often manifest themselves in the form of a flame of fire, Nlongi'a. According to God's plan for each mother tribe, each Elima must lead his tribe on the path of a specific development, which will lead this tribe to produce a particular cultural flower in the great garden of terrestrial humanity. This particular flower will be the contribution of this tribe to the culture of the universal, to the great cultural heritage of humanity. This will only be possible if each tribe develops in accordance with the genius of its authenticity. The great Elima supervisor of the Bena Kongo is called Nlongi'a Kongo, who is also called Nlongi'a Kongo. Welcome to this enlightening journey into the mysteries of blood, identity, and spirituality as taught by Nlongi'a Kongo, Makandala, and Mikhael Massa. Today we will delve into the profound teachings of the Bukongo, a spiritual science that unveils the dual nature of humanity, the spiritual codes in our blood, and the divine purpose behind every nation and tribe. The Bukongo reveals that man is both material and spiritual. Just as we are dual beings, blood too has a dual essence, one visible and physical, the other invisible and spiritual. This spiritual essence, unknown to modern science, holds a Nlongi'a, a mystical computer that contains the keys to the mysteries of the invisible world. According to the Great Nlongi'a Kongo, blood is calibrated by a supervising genius, a divine guardian of a mother tribe. This calibration encodes spiritual laws, connecting individuals to their tribe and its collective destiny. every tribe, whether human or animal, has a supervising genius, a collective soul that guides its purpose and evolution. Each tribe is like a tree in the great forest of humanity, tasked with producing a unique cultural flower. This divine plan aligns with the law of unity and diversity, where each tribe contributes to the universal beauty of Earth. The Bantu Kongo, for example, hold a cosmic mission guided by their supervising genius, Nlongi'a Kongo. Through history, intermarriages have blurred the lines of pure bloodlines, yet identity remains tied to the percentage of ancestral blood within an individual. The Bukongo teaches that an individual with at least 75% of calibrated blood is fully integrated into their tribe, while those with a high spiritual mission may be accepted with less. In today's world, many betray their tribes, seeking approval from other communities at the expense of their own. The Bukongo warns against such treachery, as loyalty to one's tribe is sacred. Colonial borders, drawn without regard for cultural realities, have fueled divisions. Yet the Bundu Kongo reminds us to honor our natural nations and supervising geniuses. What can we learn from these teachings today? True harmony comes from embracing our diversity while honoring the authenticity of our tribes. Dictatorial Unitarianism and imposed borders are unnatural and must be replaced with systems rooted in cultural and spiritual realities. The mysteries of blood remind us of our divine purpose, our sacred heritage, and our role in the greater tapestry of humanity. Let us honor our tribes, embrace our diversity, and work towards a unified yet diverse world. If this resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more insights into ancient wisdom and spiritual awakening. Mikhael Massa video, subscribe and share.